Hi, I'm Margo Ocampo and join me in my journey of understanding Module 1. The complexity of who am I? It is a question that sounds simple, but as I read throughout Module 1, is anything but that. We often try to define ourselves with a few choice words, the things we hear from other people, but can we really be captured so easily? The module has taught me that the self is not a single point, it's not just a single thing, but a product of various factors, especially the self factors, our society, environment, hereditary factors, and our personal volition. We are a sum of what we are born with and with what we have. To process these concepts, I turned to my sketchbook. In this drawing, I envisioned a long path lined with bare trees and streetlights. While I drew this in a state of total contentment, I realized it was a manifestation of my learning process. The streetlights represent the way this course has functioned for me. Each lesson felt like a lamp clicking on, and one by one, slowly guiding me toward a clearer version of why I am the way I am today. The path isn't finished, and the sky is heavy, but the light is there to provide direction for me. Philosophically, I have imbibed the Socratic view that the real self is the psyche, or the soul, rather than just the physical body. Following Plato, I've learned to seek truth into the untos, the ideal and permanent reality, rather than just the fleeting phenomena of our physical world. Scientifically, I've embraced the view that our mental states are deeply connected to our physical brain. As neurophilosophy suggests, our consciousness and beliefs are distinctively linked to brain physiology. I've also resonated with the concept of psychoneuroimmunology. Just as our bodies reject harmful foreign matter, we as individuals reject negative environmental factors and imbibe the experiences that help us grow. Through this module, I've gained three major insights. First, that the self is multidimensional and cannot be represented by a one single trait. Second, that our social institutions like our families and peers are the strong foundations of our being. And finally, that while heredity is a non negotiable factor, we still possess the personal volition to construct a unique identity from our life experiences. The journey of self discovery is rarely a straight line. As we saw in our discussions, life can bring unexpected anxiety and loss, but it also brings healing. Understanding these factors doesn't just tell us who we were, it gives us the tools to decide who we want to become. Like the streetlights in the illustration, the more we learn, the further we see down the road. That is all. Thank you. This was Margo Campo presenting from Con 03. That is all.